Another 5K UltraFine monitor. However, this one actually has blue tint, as you can see. So I checked the cable, the connector seems to be fine, and I have another tube with green tint here, so I'm gonna be checking it out and exploring what the heck is going on with this. And also, if you're gonna start the test mode on this monitor, you will be able to see that actually all the colors appear normal. So that's that. So it's not something that I don't actually know what it is. I mean, I'm gonna try, I would say, thunderbolt controller. So it's something that basically takes the signal in and outputs it on a panel. Even though the diagnostics mode outputs all the colors, something is not functioning right. So I would say I'm gonna try to replace the thunderbolt controller and see if this is gonna actually fix it. Thunderbolt controller changed. Same thing. Gotta dig deeper. Some measurements on this board compared to a good working board. Can't really see anything wrong with this motherboard. And the only thing I can think of would be this controller, monitor controller RTD 2799. And there was some residue from thermal pads. I cleaned it up with alcohol. Nothing really changed. So when I have some time, I'll probably order the controller. We'll replace it if the customer actually is willing to pay for it. So, and that would be my next step, replacing this controller. See if that will fix this tint issue. If you have any idea on what might have been causing this tint issue, because I've seen it online, and actually, as I said, I have 3 boards here that have same problem. One has a blue tint, 2 other have green tint. So if you have any idea that what might have been causing this, rather than this controller, maybe but maybe I'm missing something. I would really like your input. Thanks very much for watching. If I have an update, I'll update this video, but as of now I don't have a solution for this issue. Maybe I'll have one in the future.